Hi everyone, welcome to this course. First of all, my name is Mai, or you can call me Mimi. I have a YouTube channel and all my social media in Mimi's Makeup. So basically, I'm gonna introduce myself at the beginning of this video so you know me and you know what you're gonna learn in this course. So first of all, as I told you, my name is Mimi and I am basically a psychiatrist and a makeup artist. But in this course, we're not gonna talk about anything about psychiatry or a makeup artist or a makeup artistry. Not yet, but in this course I'm gonna show you the basics and a very nice project like a crochet project. So as like a creative person, I love to create a lot of stuff, so crochet is one of my favorite things I always do all the time when I'm just chilling and wanna spend some quality time with myself. I always crochet, so I wanted to share some of the techniques and some of the stuff that I really love, especially if you are a beginner, completely beginner in crochet. This course is for you because I'm talking about all the basics and all the things that you need to create this project. So this is my first course, so I hope you like it, but it's my first one, so I hope I did my good job in explaining everything to you. So if you wanna check me out on social media, my channel, my YouTube channel called Mimi's Makeup, and my Instagram, Mimi's Makeup, Facebook, Mimi's Makeup. I'm gonna link all these links in the description or in the file, what's links in this course, so you can reach me out if you want to know more about me. But let's talk more about this course. So as I told you, in this course we're gonna make a very small project. It's a snowflake, crochet snowflake. It's really amazing. I wanted to start with a small thing. It looks complicated, but when I explain it, you will see it's not that complicated at all. It's very easy. Well, just once you know what to do and how to do it, it will be so easy for you. So I really hope this course will be a good start, especially if you are a beginner, don't know anything about crochet. I'm gonna explain everything from A to Z, like how to hold the hook, how to hold your yarn and the best way to hold it, show you everything. And then I'm gonna show you how to make the chain, how to make a single crochet, how to make a double crochet, how to make a magic ring, and then we're gonna go to the actual project, which is the snowflake, and go with you step by step, showing you everything. And I'm gonna show you how to read the pattern itself. When you just read some words or some small words in some small letters and numbers, I'm gonna show you how to read it, so it will be so easy for you. If you see something else and you want to create it and you're still in the beginning, when you see that, you will begin to know how to read that, because it's so important and in the same time makes your life way easier when crocheting. So as I told you, this is my first course. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comments or send me a message or contact with me on the social media. I'll be so happy to answer your questions. And if there is anything I need to update and do, I'm gonna do that regularly on this course. And if you like this course and if you want more like these small projects or maybe larger projects, I'll be so happy to create them with you. So let me know, send me a message or comment down below. I'll be so happy to answer your comments and your questions. So this course basically is for beginners, but if you know how to crochet and you know the basics of the crochet, then you can skip the first part or the first section of the course, which is the basics, and you go to the next part, which is the actual project itself. I'm gonna explain everything in details in a separate video, like row by row, so you can create it with me. So it's basically from beginners to everyone. So as you saw, yeah, we're gonna make a snowflake, but I really wanted to show you some of the stuff that I made. I'm not professional in crocheting, but I love crocheting so much that I spend a lot of time crocheting. I guess I can't say that I am a professional in it, because I just all the time spending with myself, I love to crochet. So these are all the tops and all the stuff that I made for me. Actually, I made more than that, but these are some of the tops and beautiful things that I made for myself. So I wanted to show you some of them. So this one is very beautiful one, and I have another one here. It's a white one in beautiful, and I have another one here too. It's the same one but in the darker color. And I have this top here I love it. It's amazing. I love it so much. I'm making a dress for this one too. And the red one is the same thing actually. And let me go to the other side. Okay, and this one as well, and this one just like the red one but in different colors. So these are some of the stuff that I made for myself. I had some like bloovers I made for myself, velvet and like in a wool or like mixed wool yarn. I have my hats, my bunny and parade. I made all the stuff that you can imagine. I have a bag. I made a lot of crochet stuff. So crochet one of my like most adored passion, and I really wanted to share that with you. And if you are a beginner, I really hope that course will help you to learn the very basics and how to start crocheting, because if you love creating stuff, crocheting is one of the most beautiful things to do actually to create stuff that is so valuable and so amazing, especially if it's like stuff to wear like tops and dresses and hats and all this stuff. It's really amazing and really really valuable and looks so expensive and looks so beautiful in wearing. So this is for the introduction. I really wanted to talk about everything we're gonna learn in this course, but really, really hope it will help you. And so let's jump to the course, and I'm gonna see you in the first lecture. Bye.